Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for the day. Thursday. Almost done with another week. Where did it go? Just flew by. But, yeah. Some good stuff happening. So without further ado, let's dive into the... give me a like and subscribe. All right, let's dive into the charts. All right, so what are we seeing from yesterday? Well, we were hoping to get back up over 85, and that is what happened. We were making our video, what time? We're like right around here. Yeah, we were right around here. We were coming back up to that 85. We were saying we were hopefully going to break over it. And hey, we did. Not only did we break over it, we completed the measured move of the bull flag and then some, getting up to almost 88,000. How high did it actually get to? Let's see. 87,495. So almost 85. Almost 88. Not quite up to that 90 resistance yet. However, you will notice that is the 618 on the reverse Fibonacci retracement here. I guess it's not a reverse Fibonacci retracement. It's still a Fib retracement, just going to the upside. Again, still, we need to break over 90. I'd like to see it flip in order for us to say this bear flag has been invalidated. This big one on the 6-hour chart here. However, the ascending triangle does seem like it is breaking out. In fact, let's make this line green because we broke up over it. So yeah, that line's green, broke up over it. This hits, so we can get rid of this bull flag. And in fact, we kind of see a new bull flag forming here. We can get rid of this retracement as well, although we can redo it for this new bull flag also. So beep, we won't include the wick. So there's our retracement, and let's draw this new bull flag. From there to there, we'll take a conservative estimate. Hey, come on. We'll take a conservative estimate on the pole. There we go. Let's just make this smaller. There we go. Cancel. Let's make this blue again. Let's make you blue. And we'll finish drawing our bully flag. Our new bull flag here. And then if we take the measured move of that bull flag, currently from right here, we'd be right at 90. Look at that. Just over it, but yeah, 90. So hey, hopefully this bull flag hits. What would invalidate it? Coming under that 786 retracement, flipping the 786 to resistance from support. So we could see, move down to the golden pocket as far down as that. And if we did, well, then our move would be adjusted down as well, only up to about 88 again. A little higher still, but not, as good of a move as up to 90 would be. Now, the ascending triangle still has a move up to 92. And, hey, we're over the 200. Look at that. We're over the 200 here on the 90. That's a great sign. Our Stokes are overbought. Oversold. So, hey, maybe we'll see a little move up here soon, but we may not. It may get stuck down there. Let's find out whether it will or won't by looking at the smaller time frames. So we're seeing the 22-minute coming down pretty quick. We're not seeing any divergences, though, so reversal's not happening just yet. We are seeing some downwards momentum on the Stokes here. Oh, wait, were we under the 200 there? No, we're still over the 200 on the 22, but we are under it here on the 5. Stokes and overbought. Stokes and oversold. RSI rather low in bearish territory under its signal. This could go a little lower still. The one's oversold too. All these Stokes are oversold though, so maybe a bounce from here is coming. We want to see that 1 minute. Oh yeah, look at that. We got a divergence here on the 1 minute. So a bounce from here is very likely to maintain that 85 as support. So what we really want to see is 85, the daily candle, close over 85 and flip it to support here on the daily. That'd be a real nice bullish sign. But let's go back to the 90. But, you know, we could still see some downside down to that golden pocket retracement here around 82.5 all the way up to 83.5. If, you know, this 85 support here on the 90 and support here on the 6 hour, but not here on the daily, but it's support here on the 90. If that support can hold, then hey, good. Let's keep going up to the 90s. If not, well, yeah, heading back down to there. And if we break under, well, then we're gonna have to retest 82, and then we're kind of just back in this pattern, this range that we've been in, and then this bear flag actually would still be, it would be looking more like this now. Oh, well, we get, wait, let's adjust the bear flags. Target. Only down to 72 now, 71.5. Look at that. Still seeing this bull div on the daily. Although the daily Stokes are getting a little bit overbought. And the RSI has not worked its way back into bullish territory. So yeah, we're just waiting for this bear flag to get invalidated. Until that happens, we're still got downside possibilities, but things are looking okay. We're over the 200, like I said, here on the 90. We're over the 200 on the 22. Oops. We're over the 200 on the 22. And if we can stay over the 200 on the 22, that'd be great. The 5 minute being under its 200 is not so great, but it is the 5 minutes, so it could shift pretty quickly. Oh, there's some bullish div here too. I didn't notice this, but look. Higher lows on the RSI, lower highs on the price action. So the 5 minute has a bullish div too. So likely we're going to bounce here. Likely 85 will hold, and we're going to see some more upside. Now, we might, you know, 90 is going to be a little hard to get over. 88 even is going to be hard to get over. If you look at a book map, I can't show you because I'm looking at it on a different, on my tablet here. But there's some big red all the way up at 89. There's a little bit right below 88 as well. Sorry, 88 as well. There's a little right below that, but there's a large amount of sell pressure over at 89K. A little bit less than 90. If we can bust through those sell walls, then yeah, the next stop would be 95. I'm looking at Bookmap. You can't see it. It's on my tablet. Sorry. I'll show it to you guys next time. But yeah, for now, Stokes looking not so great here on the 6 hour, but they could turn around. The Stokes here on the 90 turn around, and then maybe maintain these bullish positions here in bullish territory on both of these charts, although the RSI is below its signal line. Let's go look at the 22 one more time. There's a little bit of a bullish div here on the 22 too. Same one as the 5 minute chart. Higher lows, slightly higher lows, maybe flat lows here on RSI, and lower lows on price. So looks like 85 may hold today. Then we want to see this bull flag break out up to 90. Cool. Not out of the woods, but cool. Great. Let's see it happen. But if we fall back under 85, well, we got 8 hours to close the candle over 85 here on the daily. That's what we want to see. If that can happen, then hey, we're on our way to maybe putting in a higher high here. If we can't put in a higher high, our downtrend continues. But this is a widening, downward trending wedge. And they tend to turn back into upward trending wedges and move back to where they came from. So, hey, maybe we'll touch all-time highs again. I'm getting a little hopium here. We still got a long way to go. We got to put in that higher high here at 91, and then another higher high at 95. If we can at least get to 91, get to 92-ish, and then put in a higher low after that, then we could say the trend is reversing. But for now, our trend is to the downside. But it looks good. It looks good. It looks like it might end up being good. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Music courteously provided by Luminous, Veloa, and Sex Squatch. Y'all are awesome. Much love. See you later.